My name is Semiperive Alatimu, 67 years old, from Samoa. My journey started in August this year when I woke up one morning and suddenly realized there was no vision in my right eye. And then I went to see the ophthalmologist at Tupua Tamasese, Ole Hospital in Apia, Dr. Lucila Aching, who identified the issue as the artificial intraocular lens that was inserted back in New Zealand some 20 years back had dislocated and moved away from its normal position. She recommended treatment for my condition could not be done in Samoa, so she recommended to the Samoan government that I come India for treatment, and that's how I got here. When I arrived, I was able to see Dr. Mallika Goyal and Dr. Rajesh Fogla, confirmed the diagnosis that Dr. Lucila Aching had done in Samoa, and who then arranged for me to have surgery on my right eye. So the operation was done and completed last Tuesday, and I can confirm that it has been a resounding success. My sight in my right eye has been restored. I am so thankful. I thank the Samoan government for sponsoring my travel over to India. A big thank you goes to Apollo Hospital and especially Dr. Mallika and Dr. Rajesh for how they performed the operation. Oh, their professionalism and their competency and their skills, their skillfulness, I can confirm because I was awake all the time during the operation, and I can confirm that they did an excellent job. So thank you again to everybody that assisted with our travel over to India. Thank you so much.